let's go.
Hey, what's up guys and gals? It's me again, Abu here. Today y'all, we working on the 8 gen and we're changing this, the lower torque mount. This video is dedicated to Christopher Baran. Sorry if I mispronounced that. I promised this guy this video a while back, but now this mount went bad. This is an upgraded mount over the stock mount. I'll show you right now. As you see the stock one right there, that's all rubber with a piece of metal. It goes bad so often, it's like the 4th or 5th time I change it. It's pretty simple. Loosen these 2 bolts, pop that out. That's it. But what happened is they've been over tightened, so I gotta get an impact wrench to take them out. Let's get it. Alright, see y'all when it's done. Show y'all it's pretty easy, guys. Alright, you know I do. Alright gang, I got it loosened as you see, but safety first, support that engine. So when you take off the old one, it's going to drop a little bit. So our now easy step, get those bolts out, pop the new one in, retighten them, and we good to go. Okay guys, let's check it out. They're the same except this is all rubber and that's all metal. And let's look at that guys. Yeah, that mount is pretty much shot guys. So, end up putting a new one guys. Pretty much put it back in, put the bolts, and you call it a night. Guys, this mount was really messed up, look. No pressure, look. There was nothing holding my engine but God. Or whoever you believe in. But damn, man. This was bad. Alright, y'all. Don't let this happen to you, alright? Change it. And that's a wrap, folks. Hey guys and gals, thank you so much for watching my channel. I appreciate all your comments. If there's any video you'd like me to see to make on these cars and the Civic, let me know. Keep me up in the comment. That's what I do. Y'all know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, it don't matter to me. As long as I help y'all guys, that's all. Peace.